Did you know you can share your Claude conversations with anyone using just a link? It's super useful when you want to show someone a response Claude gave you, and today I'll show you exactly how to share a chat and how to unshare it when you're done. It only takes a few seconds. Let's go. First, open any chat you want to share. Just click on it from your conversation list on the left side here. Now, look at the top right corner of your chat. You'll see a share button right here. Click on that and a small pop-up window will appear. Inside the pop-up, choose Public Access so that anyone with the link can view. Then click Create Share Link, and Claude will generate a shareable link right here. Click to copy the link, and then you can send it to anyone. Whoever has the link can view the chat, even if they don't have a Claude account. Now, here's one important thing to know. The link only shows a snapshot of your conversation at the time you shared it. Any new messages you send after sharing will stay completely private. Now, let's say you want to take that link down. The easiest way to manage all your shared chats is through Settings. Click your profile icon at the bottom left, go to Settings, then Privacy, and click Manage next to Shared Charts. This opens a list of every chat you've shared, with the title and the date you shared it. Find the one you want to unshare and click the Unshare button right next to it. Once you click Unshare, that's it. The link is instantly deactivated. Anyone who tries to open it will no longer be able to see the chat. And that's all there is to it. Sharing a chat takes 2 clicks, and unsharing it is just as easy from your settings. Just remember, your chats are always private by default, so nothing goes public unless you choose to share it. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe. More Claude tutorials are on the way. See you in the next one.